Alright guys, we have made it to Meramec State Park and Springs, and now we're walking around the ruins to look for cool photos, fall photo ruin photography. So it's really pretty. The fall colors are at their peak, so let's get started. Meramec Springs was a very interesting place, with history dating back to the early 1800s. Only spending a few hours here, I was able to learn a whole lot about the history of the Meramec Springs. First of all, I wanted to talk about the iron industry in Meramec Springs. In 1826, Thomas James sent his business partner to construct the Meramec Iron Works. Accessible ore, water power, and an abundant hardwood forest used for charcoal made the valley a great site for the iron industry. The iron that was produced here in the early days was used for kettles, plows, and other utensils that could be hauled in wagons. This site was also used heavily in the Civil War.
Places like this, I only live like 2 hours away, and I have never been here in my whole life. And it's really cool to come out here and see some of the hidden gems in Missouri and the Ozarks, especially in the fall with the beautiful leaves. And I definitely recommend trying going to a spring, because springs are really cool to view with the fall leaves, with the blue water. And mills are another cool place to explore in the fall. But I have to first hike around and get through some of this brush to get that photo. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't want to get poison ivy, hopefully I don't. Alright. This is where I want to set up, right about here, so I can get over the top of the leaves and the water flowing. So let's get set up, start taking photos.